Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the TAP Portugal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the App TAP Portugal section, click on the Configurations button. And click on the Country and Language button. And as you can see, there are two language options. So just choose the one that you want to use and then click on the Save button. And if you want the changes to apply, then you have to restart the application. And once you did that, it is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.